Now, sometimes when people look at part D, they say, oh, this is exactly the same as part C. We have a -2. Let's plug it into the rule that we have from part A. But we can't do that. If you look back at part A, we found the rule for something called F composed with G. The F was first, the G was second. But now here in part D, they're not asking us to find F composed with G of -2. They're asking us to do it the other order. They're asking us to find G composed with F. So you got to make sure then that you're actually doing the problem that is being requested. So what can I do to find G composed with F of a number like -2? Well, I still have the two options we just talked about a moment ago in part C. So option number 1, I could actually find the rule for G composed with F. Do something similar to part A. And then once I find that rule, I can go ahead and plug it in. But again, I don't have to find that rule because I still have option 2. So I'm going to go ahead and use option 2 on this problem because I know it's going to work even though I don't know the rule. So, okay, option 2 then was once again thinking about this in terms of the definition. So G composed with F of -2 is the same as G of F of -2. Now, once again, we all start on the inside and work our way out. So the first thing I need to do is find F of -2. Well, I have a rule for F. So let's come up here and talk about F of -2. F says take any x and square it. Again, be careful with your parentheses. We need to take the entire x value and square it. And the only way we can write that correctly is with some parentheses around the -2. So if I take -2 and square that, that's -2 times another -2. Negative times a negative is going to be a positive. So F of -2 is 4. So we'll come down here then, and we have G of F of -2. But I just found F of -2 to be 4. So now I have to find the G of 4. Well, G of 4 then just says go to my G rule and plug in 4 for the x. So this is going to be then 3 times my x value of 4 minus 1. 3 times 4 is 12, subtract 1 from that. We're going to get an answer of 11. So G composed with F of -2 is the number 11.